Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Mayap ebengi ke kayungan.
Kami po ang Bukas Palad Music Ministry.
Masaya po kami makasama kayo ngayong gabi. Salamat sa imbitasyon ng Ang Lingkod ng Panginoon.
Tonight's concert is very special because not only do we get to see the beautiful sights here at Nayong Pilipino and meet the beautiful people of Pampanga, we are also able to sing for the benefit of the Holy Trinity Special Children Foundation. Now let's give a big round of applause for Ang Lingkod ng Panginoon and the children of the Holy Trinity Special Children Foundation.
Our concert this evening is entitled Hindi Kita Malilimutan. Ano bang naiisip mo tuwing naririnig mo yung kantang Hindi Kita Malilimutan?
Ako medyo nalulungkot kasi naman kadalasan naririnig ko ang kantang yan.